Top Cat by Lois Ehlert. I'm Top Cat. Pet me, I'll purr. I guard this place in my coat of fur. Boring job. Never see a mouse. Nothing much happens in this dull house. Who let you in? One cat's enough. I don't want to share my stuff. Go away, cat. You've invaded my space. And I don't like your cute little face. I'll fight you and bite you behind the ear. Get the message? I'm boss around here. Well, you're here to stay. I can see that. Guess I'm stuck with you, striped cat. But there's more to do than eat and sleep. Keep your green eyes open. Watch me leap. Bounce on the couch. Leave lots of hair. Eat leaves till the plants are bare. Drink from the sink when company's there. Dance on the table with the silverware. Doors left open. Go get some fresh air. Test your claws. Give birds a good scare. Time to eat. You'd better decide. Will you come in or stay outside? Welcome back. Let's drink milk in our furs. No hisses, no scratches, no bites. Just purrs. The end.